Good morning, children. Today we are discussing some examples in sum of n terms in arithmetic progression. Okay, children. Now you already watched the video of sum of n terms in AP. Okay. Now we are doing applications in sum of n terms in AP. Now the first question: 1 plus 7 plus 13 plus 19 plus so on. 40 terms. If you add 40 terms, how many terms? 40 terms. What is its first term? 1. What is its common difference? 6. Then, if you add 40 terms, what is the answer? Okay, what is the answer? I'll teach you this answer in two different ways. You can observe the two ways and you can follow any one of the way. First way, direct one. Sum of n terms in AP, direct formula. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of 40 terms. N by 2, 40 terms, 40 by 2. 2a, a is 1. 40 minus 1, d is 6. So 40 by 2 is 20. 2 plus 39 into 6. Okay. And you have to multiply first 39 into 6. Then only you should add 2. Okay. Board mass. Multiplication. Then only the addition. Then 20. 2 plus 6 9. So 39 into 6. Then 20 into 236. 0. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7. 4. So sum of 40 terms is equal to 4720. This is the first method. Now I am doing the second method. What is first term? 1. What is the last term? Last term means 40 terms are there. What is 40th term? A plus 39d. 1 plus 39 into d. We already found 6. Now we should multiply 1 plus 39 into 6. 234. So t 40th term is 235. Now sum of n terms formula. N by 2 into first term plus last term. Now I am doing sum of 40 terms. 40 by 2. What is my first term? That is a is equal to 1. What is my last term? 40th term. The 40th term is 235. Okay. Now 40 by 2 is 20 into 236. So 20 into 236, answer is 4720. In any one way you can do, but you will get the same answer. This is directly we can write Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and the values you will substitute, you will get the answer. Or else the second method is Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term, whereas first term is given in the series, that is 1. Last term, how many terms are there? 40 terms are there. I find what is 40th term, I added both and multiplied. Okay. How many terms? How many? Means n is how much? The sequence must be taken to sum. Sum means you need to add them. Come and add them. Minus 12 plus minus 9 plus minus 6 minus 3 plus so on. How many terms? We don't know. N terms. Then what answer you will get? 54. See, imagine minus, 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 all negative answers, negative numbers are there. If you add, how you will get a positive answer? Did you understand my question? minus 12, minus 9, minus 6, minus 3, so on. How you will get a positive answer? 54. Right? That's good. See, here negative only, but what happened here? 12, minus 9, minus 6, minus 3. Next, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so on it will go. Right? So, it is decreasing order like in numbers wise. Here minus, minus, minus. After that you will get 0. Then you will get plus. Then if you add these together, definitely plus will come. So, how many terms you should find? Okay, how many terms you should add to get the value 54? So, same as usual, A is equal to minus 12, D is equal to T2 minus T1, this is T1, T2, T2 minus T1. So, T2 minus T1 is, do very clearly and carefully children, minus 9 minus of minus 12. Minus 9 plus 12, that is plus 3. Plus 3 is the common difference. Now, Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So, sum of n terms, if you add all these things, how much you should get? 54. N we don't know, we should find out. 2, a minus 12, n minus 1 into 3. Alright. Now, here, by 2, go to this side, into 2. So, this is 108, n into minus 24, 3n minus 3. Okay. Now, 108, n into 3n minus 27. Now, multiply 3n square minus 27n is equal to 108. Go to that side. Minus 108 is equal to 0. Now we got a quadratic equation where we can take 3 common. N square, 9 3s are 27 and 3 3s are 9, 1, 36 is equal to 0. Now I got a quadratic equation to solve. N square minus 9n minus 36 is equal to 0. Now, we got a quadratic equation. I am going with the factorization method. Minus 36. So 3 12s are 36. Here it is minus 9. Give this symbol to bigger number and plus 3. So n square plus 3n minus 12n minus 36 equal to 0. N common. N plus 3 minus 12 common. So n plus 3 into n minus 12 is equal to 0. N plus 3 is equal to 0 or n minus 12 equal to 0. N is equal to minus 3 or n is equal to 12. First of all, what is n? N is number of terms. How many terms you should add? How number of terms will be negative? No. We cannot say n can be negative. Yes. Therefore, n is equal to 12. That is, sum of 12 terms will be 54. So, if you take 12 terms, then your answer will be 54. So, how many terms of the sequence? How many terms of the sequence? 12 terms of the sequence. If you take, then S12 will be equal to 54. Okay. Now, one more example. Determine the sum of first 35 terms. Determine sum of 35 terms. So, S35 is equal to how much? S35 is equal to how much of an AP? If second term is 2, second term is 2 and seventh term is 22. Seventh term is 22. Look here, by using these two, but okay, using 2, we should solve sum of 35 terms. Now, I am taking seventh term, that is a plus 6d. is equal to 22. Second term, a plus 2 minus 1, that is a plus 1d is equal to 2. If I subtract both, 5d is equal to 20, d is equal to 4. I am substituting in the first equation, a plus d is equal to 2, a plus 4 is equal to 2, that implies a is equal to minus 2. Now I got what is a value and what is the d value also. Here in this question he did not give directly a value and d value. What is given? T2 and T7. By using these two, I solved the elimination method and I got the values of a and d. Now S35 is how much? SL is equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now S35 is equal to 35 by 2, 2. A is how much? Minus 2 plus 35 minus 1, d is 4. By using this you can solve, that is 35 by 2 minus 4, 35 minus 1, 34, 34 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 1 plus 13. So that is 35 by 2 into 132. How many times? 66.